whoever you may meet, speak to them that this could be the last time, like that. Because our experience of life is limited to this moment. Past is just a memory, future a hope and an imagination. Don't waste your life thinking there's another time and another time. There is no other time. This is the time. This is our time. Let's do the best. Everything that you do, not just talking to people, everything that you do it like this is the last thing you're going to do in your life. Everything that you got should go into every little thing that you do. Whether you talk to someone, or you're silent, or you're in action or inaction, it must be an absolute involvement. I'm talking about involvement, not a philosophy. Where there is no involvement, there is no experience. The only and only way you can know life is by involvement. Here I am, outside in the mountains, beginning to rain, motorcycling. Well, weather never stopped me from doing whatever I'm doing. So, I never use the word bad weather because there's no such thing. Rain is good, snow is good, sunshine is good, moonlight is good, it's all good, there is no bad weather. So, here there's a storm building up, but we're going to ride through this